National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Vermilion to Willowick, Ohio, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 10 nautical miles north of Lorraine Harbor to 7 nautical miles south of Vermilion, moving northeast at 30 knots. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Avon Point, and Cleveland mariners can expect